young people. I wanted to do a little follow-up on my little kit. All this was in that plastic bag. This was sealed in that plastic bag, and I never really opened it up because I haven't had this out in the field yet. I kind of got it, just was sitting there, so I was like, you know what, I don't want to be digging, having to cut if I needed a tourniquet. So I went ahead and took it out of the plastic thing, and I'm kind of glad I did. So if you remember in the other one, it gave a list and had 4 things. It had a tourniquet. It had this mini compression bandage. I'm assuming this is like the little Israeli bandage. I'm trying to look at the picture here. Yeah, it's got the strap, so it's got the bandage with the cloth that you can wrap around, so it causes compression and keeps it on the wound. So that's good. This is a compact wound seal. Gauze, sterile. I don't know what instructions for use. Remove wound seal. Using tab, apply pressure, complete sealing. It feels like it's got powder or something in it. It's not just a gauze. So I'm not sure, but it's got a pull tab here that you can just open it and pull it open. So I'll leave that in a little kit. And this looks like another compression band. This is compressed gauze. So there's some gauze. I'll go ahead and leave that in there. But I opened up this tourniquet. Man, I'm glad I did. What a piece of junk. This is called a TK4L tourniquet. And I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Hell, I might use it for freaking holding something on my motorcycle when I'm driving, but that's about it. It's just it's got a rusty hook. It's got wire in here. It says when you put it on, you lay the hook here. If you read the directions, and if somebody wants to pause it and read those on what a crappy tourniquet this is, it says you hang this here, and then you put this through the hook, and then you pull this back, and then the hook kind of comes undone. I mean, it is just, I was like, good grief, if I had a tourniquet myself with this, I'd be screwed. Now, if I didn't have anything else, then I guess this would be okay. Then it's got some little cheapy, some sort of tie-off. Look, somebody may say this is a great tourniquet. I think it's a piece of junk. But, hey, I'm just giving you my opinion. So, this fits in here a little bit looser, and I think I'm going to be able to fit a good tourniquet in here. If not, I'll hook it on the outside. So this is the crap tourniquet. This is a much better tourniquet. Goes on easy. It's got a nice thing. It's got a place you can put the time. It's got a place where you can lock in your little twister. I call it twister. I think it's called a wingless or wing something. But basically, once you get it on, you can twist it to make it tight. And when you twist it, it puts in here so it won't come untight. You put that across there and write the time. This is a pretty well-made tourniquet. Again, I got this on Amazon. I think you can get 3 for like 10 or 12 bucks. And they're nice to have around, and you can reuse this. It puts a good compression. It's got good Velcro. Much better tourniquet than this piece of freaking bungee cord with a rusty hook on it. I mean, I just can't, man, let me tell you, whoever makes this junk here on the box, it says lot med 11 2015 is when they put that in there. So that's that. Also for the tweezers, I went ahead and ordered, I like the tweezers with a magnifying glass to where it's already connected, and that way you can when you're digging for something, it makes it a lot easier to find. This is a good magnifying glass. So I picked up a couple of those, and I'm going to take the tweezers I got out of here and put these in here. Other than that, here's the pouch where it was all sealed and tough to get into. I went ahead and cut it. It was nice and packaged nice, but I didn't want to be doing that if I needed it in a crisis. So I'm going to leave these packaged because they have easy pull tabs that open, and it keeps them sterile. But I'm going to put a decent tourniquet. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this. Hell, I don't know if I'll waste a bullet on it to go out and shoot it, but I might be able to make a leash for Smokey. I can walk my cat with it. Maybe he won't break it. I don't know though. It's got some hinky freaking metal twists there. I think Smokey might be able to pull those apart. What the? Who put the? I'm glad I opened that to check that tourniquet. Good grief! All right, we'll go ahead and end that there on a tourniquet follow-up.